When I got this, it had a lot of issues. One of which, the cabinet has scuffs, scratches, scrapes, and chip paint. I'm not sure if I got a defective one or whatnot, but in some ways it was defective. The not the cabinet, but the guard is warped. The back guard on the very top is warped in the back right here. Y'all can see that right there, right? See that? See that right there? It's warped. Y'all see that? That's from the manufacturer. That's how it came in. You see all the scrapes, the scuffs. You see the chip paint. Chip paint right there. You can see the chip paint. Even right there, you can see the chip paint. And there's leftover paints. If you look right here, warped. And right here, just a little bit right there. Let's see, where's that? Yep, right there. You see that? You can see it a little bit. It's warped. But I will say this, that that fan is heavy than most box fans today because it's got the vintage cabinet and it definitely has some weight to it. Yeah, it definitely has some weight to it, so that's a good thing. It won't blow over because it has some weight to it. It won't blow over. I had to take the 3733 blade out of it because when I bought it, that's what it had. If you look closely, it has the 3733 handle, 3733 handle, 3733 knob, and it had the 3733 blade set. Basically, what Lasco was doing was just trying to make a vintage style looking 3733 with the weather shield guards, and then you put the little holes on the side for a stand. That's basically what they was doing. This is what they should have went with from the very beginning. They should have put, if they want to do that, they should at least make the weather shield version of the Air King with the 3720 weather shield blade set, which is what I have in here. It's much quieter. Can't even speak right. That's what happens when I get tired. It's much quieter. So we're gonna go ahead and run it. It's much quieter. I took that blade out. I put that in my, I believe I put it in my, I put it in my 3733. And then the 3733 blade, which is the same blade, for all that matter. I put it in my premium box fan. But that's a whole nother video. We'll get into that later. So now it has what should have been the correct blade. And it has plenty of pitch. It has that same weather shield motor. It has the 3733 handle. It has the 3733 knob. But overall, it's decent. It doesn't fall over. Let's run it. Start off with high, and then we'll work our way down to low. Does have somewhat of a startup sound. It moves a crap load of air. Now it's usable. It ain't like it was before, but it was way too loud. Now, that's what low speed is supposed to sound like. Not like how it sounded when I very first got it with the 3733 blade set in it. Let's go. I don't know what y'all was thinking. Trying to make a 3733 box fan with a weather shield guard. That's basically what it is. And then the weather shield motor. I don't understand. But the next time y'all continue to make these, or if you're still making them, let me suggest that from the factory, you just put the 3720 blade set in there. Make the guards a lot better where they're not warped. Make the cabinet a lot better where they don't have scratches and scuffs and scrapes. Please consider thinking about your customers and give us good customer service and not a jacked up fan cabinet. I had to do your job. I had to put the right blade set on there. That should not be. A customer should not have to do y'all's job. Make them better next time. You might want to consider putting machine screws in there instead of screws where you have to drill the holes in there and all off-centered. When the holes are off-centered, it makes it hard to put the guard on there. You might want to consider that, Lasco. Get it together. All right, let's go back up to high speed and then we'll end the video. Spin down. Spin down time is pretty decent. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of this Air King 9723 box fan. Finally, with the correct blade set. Alright, the Mont the Fan Man, and out. Thanks for watching.